I woke up one morning, didn't realize it was sunset, then it dawned on me. My weekend starts off real nice. On a Friday, I wake up and immediately I start eating. While watching a drama, of course. And I just keep eating from many, many different angles. Occasionally, I stop and wonder, should I stop eating? Then I continue eating. Out of pots, of course. But then there's times when my period comes and I cry, bawl, whine, curl up in pain while eating. Nothing much to say except the pain just keeps coming back and it gets worse every time. Till I struggle to do what I do best, eat. But nonetheless, I move past it and I continue eating. On special occasions, I go on trips with my dad. This trip was to trim me.
Yeah, she wants no one side here. But I already sat down. Yeah, she wants the side here.
But as much as I complain about my hair, I love my hair. So of course, it's still going to be here every single day of my life. But just when I thought my weekend was going great, I got a call that swimming lessons would be today, Saturday. There is me in the water, trying to swim, but not going anywhere. Stuck in one place, trying to learn how to not drown for over an hour. What am I doing? I'm barely moving. Eventually I run out of breath and come back up. I still feel water was made for the fishes and not for me, but on Sunday it's off to church. Can I pull over here? Guys, just get in the water. How you choose should I use one of the big words? Somebody want to drop asleep, somebody have to read. I choose. Should I use that's a big word I'm gonna understand, so she lose me in the first 5 minutes. If you can't catch me back in them 5 minutes there, but give up. Yeah. And somebody do it in a class. If the teacher starts something boring and she don't pick up in the next 5 minutes, the conversation done. We just blank out. You can't do no.